안녕하세요. 안녕하세요? Blah, blah, blah. Annyeong! It's me, Veganda, and welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know, my channel is all about makeup and beauty products that are both vegan and cruelty-free. For today, I am doing a review of Dear Dahlia. So what is Dear Dahlia? It's a Korean luxury beauty brand that is 100% cruelty-free and 100% vegan. Alright? So if you want to know if their products are good or not so good, just keep on watching. Okay, let's start. I have washed, exfoliated, and moisturized my face, and I have pulled my hair back up so it's easier for me to put on makeup. And I have the Dear Dahlia makeup that we'll be trying on today. Okay? Ooh, the lighting is not so good today. I woke up a bit late, so the natural light is not so good anymore. But let's carry on. First item is right here. It is the Skin Paradise Blooming Cushion Foundation with the shade Natural Beige, and it retails for $46. Okay, so let's open it. It's still sealed. It has that little sticker. Okay, I'll put that away. Okay, it looks like that. Ooh, it's pretty. Okay, so the finishing, I mean, it's matte. It's pretty. Okay, and then let's open it up. It has a mirror, right there. It still has that kind of plastic kind of layer to it. I won't remove it just yet. And then this is that. And ta-da! Alright, let's try it. So I have peeled, it's a bit hard to remove, but yeah, there we go. And then you have to like kind of press it down, right, for it to show the product, right? Okay, so let's go. I'm done putting on the cushion foundation. It has a very light to medium coverage, and as you can see, it has a very dewy finish. So far, I'm liking it. So let's move on to the next product. The next item is right here. This is the Paradise Dual Palette Concealer Duo, the shade of Light, and it retails for $32. All right, so let's open it. It has still that seal. Okay. Ta-da! Okay, it's like a mini version of the cushion foundation package earlier. Okay, it has a bit different kind of latch here. So let's see. Oh, okay. Right, because the reason for that latch is because it's, well, it's dual, so it has two sides to it, and it has that mirror at both sides, and it still has that plastic cover. But yeah, let's try it. Alright, I'm done. I use the shade here that has that yellow undertone. The upper shade has more of like a pink undertone, right? So I use this one using my Zoeva 142 concealer buffer brush, and yeah, I love it. I mean, it's not too light, but it's enough to really just conceal and kind of brighten the parts that I want, you know, highlighted, right? So I would just have to set it, because earlier, as you could see in the video, like the foundation, the cushion foundation that I kind of put my crease or my eyelid was creasing. Well, again, because it has a really dewy finish, so I should have set it right away, but then I really wanted to try the concealer first before I kind of set it. So now I will be right back. I will just set my face with a loose powder, okay? Okie dokie, I'm back. As you can see, I have my eyebrows and simple eye makeup done, as well as my face and nose contouring, because the next step is, bam! It's for the blush, which I'm still missing, right? So as you can see here, this is the Paradise Dual palette. It's a lip and cheek multi-balm, and the shade is Peach Champagne, and it retails for $32. Okay, so let's open it. It still has, again, the same kind of sticker seal. Okay, and it's the same almost, well, yeah, same size as the concealer here earlier, right? It's the same. Right here. Oh. Right, same size, right there. Okay, all right. So same latch, because again, this is a duo palette. Ta-da! And again, oh, it's quite hard. Ta-da! All right, again, still the mirror at both sides. There, it's pretty, right? So I think this is both like cream. Let me try. Yep, it's cream, and the other one is, oh, both of them. Okay, so let's try it out. Alrighty, I'm done. So in this duo, I use this shade right here that has a pink corally shade. The upper part right here, as you can see on the camera, has a peach, kind of more kind of cooler tone to it. So I prefer this one as my blush. So yeah, I love the color. It's just that it's cream based. So I'm not really kind of used to it. I'm used to using, you know, powder blush, because again, my skin is quite oily to combination, but it doesn't feel kind of sticky. It sets in really well. So for those that really has a really oily skin, what I could suggest is that after putting like a cream blush, you could set it using another powder blush, right? But for this time, I'm pleasantly surprised. I mean, it's not sticky at all. I don't think I need to set it with a powder blush. So yeah, pretty awesome. On to the last product. Okay, so this right here is the Paradise Mini Dream Velvet Lip Set, and it's their red collection, and it retails for $18. All right, so real talk, guys, when I first ordered it, I wasn't really expecting this to be this small, but as you can see, it is tiny. It's really tiny. Well, I should have expected it anyways, because it says mini collection, but then again, I'll pull one right here. Ta-da! So this is the Jeffree Star Mini Velour Liquid Lipstick Collection, and if I open it, well, it's empty now because, well, I've used it. I will pull in one right here. So it is the red rum. I'll put it here. Ta-da! Compared to the mini set. So it's this Dear Dahlia one. It's really tiny. It's really mini, right? So, but then again, let's see. Again, this retails for $18, but the Jeffree set is, well, several times. This is for $52. So yeah, okay, So let us open it. Okay. Ta-da! Okay, this is the size of the palm of my hand. Okay, it's tiny. But then again, I think it's just to really give you like an idea of what you like. Just like try it or swatch it, and then you could buy like the full-size product. So it has 6 colors. I don't know if it tells you the shade though. Maybe I'm just blind, I can't see it. Oh, there we go. I like at the back, it'll tell you. My bad. So it says Seduction. It's Ladybug. It's October. Ooh, October. I like it. My birth month is October. Teddy, and then Boredom and Sangria. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so let us take it out of the box. And it is, ta-da! Okay, that right there. So let's try it. Okay, let's watch it first because I don't think I could use all of them today. This is, ooh, it's pretty. Okay, this is, okay, I don't know if you can see that right there. It is the shade Sangria, like the drink. Yep, so I like it already. Okay, the other one is, this is for, what does it say? It's for Boredom. Right, let's watch it. Oh, it's pretty. It's quite close. This is more like a more brighter, this one right here. Okay, I don't know if you could see the difference on camera, but it's a bit brighter red compared to Sangria. Okay, the next one right here is, it's Teddy. Okay, so it's actually very similar. Right there. Ta-da, right there. Right there. Okay. Yeah, it's similar. Okay. Almost. Still on the red side. The first one, the Sangria, is more on like a mauve, kind of pinkish, dark pink side. Oh, this is really red. This is what? Sorry, I didn't check. It is October. Right there. Okay. And then the fifth one is Ladybug. Okay. That is this one. Right there, the last one. It looks corally, it's like a coral color in the camera, but it's more on the bright red still. Okay, and the last one is Seduction. Okay, so ooh, this is the brightest red right there. Okay, that is that. Okay, so based on that color, I think, what do I like? What do I like? I think I'm gonna use the bias. I'm gonna go with my color because, well, I like the month of October. It's Oktoberfest. It has the Halloween. And so, yeah, so this is that. Okay, so I will try it. Alright, I'm done. I love it. I mean, in the camera, it looks like a bright red, right? But in person, it's more of like a bit darker red. Like a mauve color. But yeah, I love it. Maybe I'll try one more. So I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. So guess what I chose? Yep, I chose Sangria. Maybe I'm just craving for that drink. But anyways, it looks pretty. It looks like an orangey coral color in camera, but on person it looks like a mauve pink. So I love it. Like, it's quite kind of similar to my hair. But yeah, so I will be right back for my final thoughts. For my final thoughts, I love that Dear Dahlia again is 100% vegan and 100% cruelty-free. I haven't tried a lot of Korean products before, but this one I like, right? So let's start off with the Cushion Foundation. Again, the finish is dewy. It's light to medium coverage. So if you're looking for like a really full-on coverage, this is not it. But if it's just for, you know, like an everyday look or maybe just a day makeup, I love it. I mean, it doesn't feel like it's really drying my face. So, and it's not cakey. I mean, it sets in really well. So yeah, I love it. So the next one would be this next two duos. Hold on. Okay. So the other one is the concealer. The other one is the lip and cheek balm duo. The packaging, again, same as the Cushion. Both of them feels luxurious. Oh, it's a luxury brand anyways. I love it. I love that they put in like two sides camera, like a two-side camera, not camera, sorry, two-side mirror. So yeah, it's easier. So if you're putting the makeup, I don't know, just outside or whatnot, right? So it's easier for you because it has that small mirror, right? Okay, and then what else? Oh, the last one, this right here. It's too small for me though. I mean, again, maybe, I don't know, because it's like a mini collection or a mini set that you could just swatch it first on your own and then just buy the full size product. But then again, I wish it could have been, you know, a bit bigger. It felt like this would just be maybe what, 2 or 3 kind of applications or usage. After that, nothing. But then again, the pigmentation is good, right? So I did try. I thought it's just gonna be like one application and then that's it. It's gone. But then the pigmentation earlier, I didn't put a lot of products on my lip, but it did cover everything, right? So it's quite good. So yeah. Okay, for today, based on the amount, the packaging, what else, the price, I would give Dear Dahlia 8 vegan hearts. Lastly, before I go, if you want to see more videos about makeup and beauty products that are both vegan and cruelty-free, and to really know that there is a better way when it comes to beauty without harming animals, don't forget to click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you would be updated of my future videos. Alright? So before I go, I just wanted to remind everyone that beauty should always be inside and out. Till next time, annyeong!